What if I told you one person had a chunk of earwax the size of a quarter pulled from their ear? Or that over 12 million people seek earwax removal help every year? Stick around, because what we're about to show will leave you speechless. Today's focus: a giant, shocking chunk of earwax that had one patient partially deaf until it was removed. This isn't your typical ear cleaning video. We're talking massive blockage, real reactions, and one very satisfying outcome. Earwax buildup might seem harmless, but it's a real issue. It causes discomfort, itching, ringing, and in severe cases, temporary hearing loss. Many people make it worse using cotton swabs, pushing wax deeper instead of removing it. And let's not forget, most don't realize there's a problem until the symptoms are unbearable. That's when professional intervention becomes necessary. Let's talk removal methods. First, there's irrigation, where warm water flushes out soft wax. Then there's microsuction, a tiny vacuum that gently pulls wax out under a microscope. And for the really stubborn stuff, endoscopic removal, where specialists go in with a camera and tool. Each method is safe when done professionally, and today's video uses endoscopic extraction, revealing just how intense wax buildup can get. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Show removal footage, close-up of wax being extracted slowly. It looks small at first, but it just keeps coming. The wax chunk, dark, hardened, and nearly an inch long. The patient's reaction, instant relief. Insert gasp/reaction shots or narration. No way that was in there. This is why regular ear care matters. Excess wax isn't just gross, it can seriously affect your well-being. From blocked hearing to infections, it's a real health concern. Luckily, with the right method, the solution is quick and oddly satisfying. What was the most shocking part for you? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more jaw-dropping removals, weird medical moments, and real reactions, check out the next video. Trust me, you won't believe what comes out next.